Hello guys, I'm here with a new video, and this video is very helpful, informational and interesting for you, because this video is going to tell about the top 5 English channel news that is going to blow your mind. So I'm going to tell the 5 English channel news. If you are willing to speak English as a native speaker, and suppose that if you are a slow learner, then make sure to watch this English channel news as okay. So I'm going to start. So the first one is DD India. DD India is the first English channel news. Okay, so you can check it out and just see in the YouTube that how it is interfaces. And the second one is like the Finance 24 English. Okay, Finance 24 English. So the third one is like Republic World. What? The Republic World. I'm telling the name, guys. Just take the screenshot of these names, and also you can search after this video. Okay, the fourth one is India Today. India Today. And the fifth one is WION. 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 English channel news that leaves an impact for you guys, because these are the English channel news that will going to be like so helpful. It's like because there are two benefits for reading or for finding this English channel news. Because in morning, if you watch this English channel news, suppose that you are watching one English channel news in morning, and there will be two benefits for this. The first benefit is like you will learn that the awareness of the news in India and all over the world. Means you will be knowing that what is happening, or what are the incidents in India and all over the world. So you will be knowing that. The first benefit is first. Okay, and so like this. And the second is like you will know how to speak English. Okay, you will be aware of that how to speak English fluently. If you want, guys, as I told in earlier video, that if you want to speak English, then first listen. As much as you listen, you learn something valuable information. So you have to listen this English channel news in morning time. So learn that and just watch this English channel news in the morning time. You will be gonna rock your English spoken. Okay, so now you have understood that what are the top 5 English channel news that you should have to watch. So these were the English channel news that I wanted to tell you, to share with you. So I end my voice, and I end my conversation. So I promise you to meet you in the next video. Till that, do subscribe the channel, and just like this video and share as possible who wants to learn English and related to English as spoken. So in the last, I want to say, like, be safe, don't give up, and be a learner. Okay,